Hi, and welcome to Day 4 of your French vocabulary series. Today, we're learning 10 essential words that will help you talk about time, amounts, and directions in everyday conversations. These words are super practical, especially when you're navigating a city. I'll say each word slowly in French, then give you the English translation. Now, maintenant, maintenant. Later, plus tard, plus tard. Today, aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. Tomorrow, demain, demain. Yesterday, hier, hier. A lot, beaucoup, beaucoup. A little, un peu, un peu. Too much, trop, trop. To the right, à droite, à droite. To the left, à gauche, à gauche. Now I'll repeat the same words at a normal pace. Try to say them with me. Now, maintenant, maintenant. Later, plus tard, plus tard. Today, aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. Tomorrow, demain, demain. Yesterday, hier, hier. A lot, beaucoup, beaucoup. A little, un peu, un peu. Too much, trop, trop. To the right, à droite, à droite. To the left, à gauche, à gauche. Let's do it one more time, this time with French subtitles only. Repeat with me to get the rhythm of the words. Maintenant, maintenant. Plus tard, plus tard. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui. Demain, demain. Hier, hier. Beaucoup, beaucoup. Un peu, un peu. Trop, trop. À droite, à droite. À gauche, à gauche. Now let's use each word in a short and simple French sentence. I'll say the sentence in French, then give you the English translation. Maintenant, I want to eat now. Je veux manger maintenant. Plus tard, we will leave later. Nous partirons plus tard. Aujourd'hui, today the weather is nice. Aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Demain, tomorrow I visit a museum. Demain, je visite un musée. Hier, yesterday I was tired. Hier, j'étais fatigué. Beaucoup. There are a lot of people. Il y a beaucoup de monde. Un peu. I speak a little Spanish. Je parle un peu espagnol. Trop. It's too expensive. C'est trop cher. À droite. Turn right. Tournez à droite. À gauche. Go to the left. Allez à gauche. Great job today! With these 10 words, you can now talk about when things happen, how much you want, and where to go. All super helpful in real conversations. Don't forget to speak out loud and review the video if needed. Repetition is key. Tomorrow we'll focus on people and places, things you see and talk about every day. See you then and keep going. À demain!